Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Dixit. I am FMAV participant and today I am here to present my company profile on Under Armour based on financial year 21. I am going to give you a brief analysis on Under Armour. So in today's agenda, these are the topics that we'll be covering up. So let's begin with a brief overview on the company. Under Armour is a young brand in the sportswear market. The company was founded by Kevin A. Plank in 1996 and is headquartered in Baltimore, MD. The company is a leading inventor, marketer, and distributor of branded athletic performance apparel, footwear, and accessories for men, women, and youth. Within the 10 years of business, the company got listed in NASDAQ in 2005. Under Armour is an industry innovator. Innovation lies at the heart of Under Armour. It is the foundation on which the company was built. It is designed to empower human performance. The company has a presence in more than 100 countries, having a teammates around 17K plus and having a retail stores of more than 15K. Moving on to the company mission, vision and the values. The company vision is to make athletes better and the vision is to inspire with better athlete performance solutions. So the mission and the vision of the company are interrelated. The vision is to make athletes better by adding new innovative in their products. And Under Armour vision is to innovate product and experience are engineered to make athletes better. Coming to the value define and unites them. The beliefs that are the red thread that connect everyone at Under Armour, the values reminding them why they are here and fueling everything they do. So moving on to the history of the company, it all started with selling of a t-shirt in mid-90s by the founder Kevin A. Plank from his grandmother's basement, and from there on the rest is the history. In 1997, the company comes up with a heat gear and the cold gear, with a cold gear fabric which keeps athletes warm, dry and light in cold condition. And then it came up with a all-season gear which keeps athletes comfortable between the extremes. Within the 10 years of business, the company got listed in NASDAQ, and after listing within the 5 years, the company made a revenue of $1 billion. In 2020, the company came in contract with Stephen Curry, who is an NBA champion, and announced the creation and launch of Curry brand, a purpose-lit performance brand with a mission to ensure every young person has equitable access to sports. As the company announces a new methodology to measure fiber shedding with an intention to reduce the 75% of fiber shed in the coming years. Moving on to the founders and the top management of the company, Mr. Kevin A. Plank, who is the founder and the chairman of the company, Ms. Stephen Colomine, she is the present CEO of the company, and Mr. Colin Brownie, he is the chief operating officer, and Mr. David E. Bergman, who is the chief financial officer of the company. Now coming to the product and the services of the company, company product offering consists of apparel, footwear and accessories for men, women and youth. Now moving on to the revenue breakdown of the company, the net revenue increased by 27% in FY21, primarily driven by the increased unit sales across all the product categories. The gross margin of the company increased on 210 basis point. Moving on to the net profit of the company has shown a tremendous profit. It has jumped around 3x from FY19 to FY21. Now moving on to the revenue bifurcation of the company majority of the revenue comes from apparel, which contributes 69%, and followed by footwear and accessories. Primary business operates in 4 geographical segments: North America, comprising of United States and Canada, then EMEA, which stands for Europe, the Middle East and Africa, and followed by the Asia Pacific and Latin America. Now, the revenue generated from D2C distribution, which is from direct to customer channel, has increased by 11% from FY16 to FY21. Now moving on to the trading profile of the company, UAA is the trading symbol of the company. and ISIN, which is the International Security Identification Number of the company. Currently, the company is trading around 7.21 US dollars, which is in the field of apparel and footwear. Moving on to the SWOT analysis of the company net revenue increased by 27% in FY21, and the company has been able to reduce its long-term debt, and efficiently it's managing its quick assets. Moving on to the weakness, the company has generated low returns to its shareholders, and the inefficient use of shareholder funds ROE is low compared to its peers. High fluctuation in foreign currency rates could be one of the weaknesses of the company. Moving on to the opportunities, the rise in the UA flow technology will help them to reduce their cost, and the focus on women apparel too. The globally apparel industry is expected to grow around 9.8. Moving on to the threats, political polarization, increased competition, and product capabilities. Polarization refers to the division or separation of individual or groups into opposing factions, ideologies, or viewpoints. In this case, the founder cum CEO have to step down as a result of the controversy surrounding his support of Donald Trump in the year 2020. Moving on to the competitors list. The market for performance apparel and accessories is highly competitive and includes many new competitors as well. Nike, which is the market leader in the sportswear market. Adidas, which used to be the second on the list, but now Under Armour has surpassed it in the year 2016. Concluding with, here are the list of the awards and the achievements which the companies have achieved over a period of decades. So that was my last stop in my analysis of Under Armour. I hope this presentation was informative as well as productive for you. Thank you.